Yeah. Whoa. See? Make it happen, yeah? No matter what tool you get, just improvise, do it. Yeah? Yeah, man. See? No extraordinary tools, but you create your own tools, man, to move. Yes, these are some of my tools, yes. Holy Vasiga had down there. Yes, see me. This is it. It's just left to you. Yeah, to figure out and research and do your own thing, yeah? Yeah. Big up, sealer. Yeah. That's all you done. You see, this is a plexiglass, yeah? It's a plexiglass, yeah. So after I'm coming to cut this here again, there's a line here, I don't know if you can see this. There's a line here. Cut it and after glue it and bottom hole to reinforce it and just mount it there. It's going to be adjustable also. Yeah. Sealer. Yeah, man.